So, one of the most exciting findings in neuroscience in the past 75 years is that pleasure and pain are co located in the brain. So, the same parts of the brain that process pleasure also process pain. And in a very simple, reductionist kind of way, they work like opposite sides of a balance. So imagine that deep in your brain's reward pathway, which is another exciting discovery, right? That there's this dedicated reward pathway of the brain that consists, broadly speaking, of the prefrontal cortex, which is this large gray matter area right behind our foreheads that's so important for future planning, for delayed gratification, for appreciating future consequences. You might think of it as like the brakes on the car, if we're going to analogize to an engine. And then deep, in the brain, we've got what we call the limbic areas or the emotion brain. And there you have the nucleus accumbens and the ventral tegmental area that are rich in dopamine releasing neurons, right? And they act like the accelerator on the car. So when you've got a healthy functioning brain, you've got enough accelerator, but not too much, right? So enough dopamine being released, but not too much. And you've got a healthy prefrontal cortex putting the brakes on that dopamine release.